Welcome back. Friday morning, the bird flu summit, which is probably taking place in Washington in America. Basically, it's the same photocopy event which they done before the so-called pantomime of 4 years ago event 201 or 101, whatever it's called, which they simulated a so-called global virus spread event. And this time round they've done their homework pretty well. All the 9 yards, with a cooperation with various institutes. We've got the government, we've got the pharmaceutical companies, we've got the politicians. Everyone is involved. And they have a plan for this event because they know for certain that it will take place. But there are some health officials saying this archipelago flu has been around for 100 years and they've never done mass casualties going by official records. And why all of a sudden they have to create the magic potion for this thing? Like the other one, and this thing here is treatable with pharmaceuticals available on the market, which is the, how do you say, to treat certain illnesses and viruses have given good results. Oh why we have to invest millions of dollars in a thing which hasn't even happened yet. How you can produce a pharmaceutical without knowing a so-called outbreak of a certain virus yet, and whether having a sample or this thing to study it in laboratories or scientists. But the fact is, seeing the pharmaceutical industry's profits are plummeting, they need something to sell. Honestly, they had pulled it off once and they will pull it off again if people do not kick back. Because they'll probably once, in their so-called future, say, whoops, it has been an outbreak of this certain thing. We have to go back to lockdowns, social distances, remote working, mandatory pricks on your arms, and so on. So we shouldn't fulfill the so-called, these people in their high ivory towers tell us how we should live our lives and we have to take this. Mind you, these are the people say you are consuming too much resources and there are too many on the earth.